Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the file and saving a backup copy so changes are reversible. Next, select the cells, sheet, or use Ctrl+A to pick the whole worksheet. This determines what Excel will inspect. Once selected, go to the Review tab and confirm the proofing language matches your content, US English, UK English, or another, because the dictionary affects suggestions. Now you're ready to run the actual spelling check rather than guessing where issues might be. Start the check by clicking Review, then Spelling, or press F7. Excel will jump to the first suspected error. For each item, decide: accept the suggested correction, change to a custom entry, or ignore if it's a proper noun or technical term. Make sure to inspect formula cells and cells with concatenated text, since spelling tools may skip parts. If many similar errors appear, add fixes to auto-correct or your custom dictionary to speed future checks. Finish by running one last spelling check and then save your corrected workbook. If Excel seems to skip cells, make sure those cells are formatted as text or general, unmerge any merged cells, and verify they are not locked or protected. Protected sheets can prevent checks. If a word is repeatedly flagged but correct, add it to your custom dictionary or adjust the proofing language to match regional spellings. That solves most issues and keeps your sheet clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.